Tailwind CSS simplifies building responsive websites with its mobile-first, utility-based approach. Here's how you can create a responsive website using Tailwind CSS. Mobile-first approach. Tailwind's default configuration is mobile-first, meaning styles are applied to smaller screens first and then progressively modified for larger screens using responsive classes. Text XL, default size for mobile devices. MD Text 3XL, changes text size to 3XL for medium screens. LG Text 4XL, changes text size to 4XL for large screens. Use of breakpoints. Tailwind provides predefined breakpoints for responsive design. You can apply different styles at each breakpoint to ensure your site adapts to various screen sizes. Grid calls 1, displays 1 column by default. SM Grid calls 2, changes to 2 columns for small screens. LG Grid calls 3, changes to 3 columns for large screens. Fluid layouts. Tailwind provides percentage-based width and height classes like WFull, 8 screen, and Max WFull, ensuring content adapts to screen sizes.